Liberty Leading the People by Eugène Delacroix commemorates the July Revolution of 1830, the second of three revolutions which toppled successive kings of France. Although Delacroix was not a Republican, he was a leading light of the Romantic movement, which celebrated the power of individual will. The woman carrying the red, white and blue tricolore personifies liberty. Trampling over dead soldiers, she leads the crowd over a barricade to reclaim the city of Paris in the background. In a letter to his brother that October, Delacroix commented, "If I haven't fought for my country, at least I'll paint for her."